Hi, it's Dina, and I'm going to cook today the recipe of the week, which is rice and beans. And this is good for phases 1 through 4. So I've got all my ingredients here. I didn't have red, yellow, and green peppers, so I cut up a cup of red peppers. So sometimes you're not going to have everything exactly the same you're supposed to, but it's not bad. It's gonna be all red today. Then I have my chili pre-cooked already. I have my cauliflower rice, which I buy it already riced. It's frozen. I get it at Costco, so it's great. It's a great time saver, and it's all done. And then I have my salt and my garlic powder, and then my reduced sodium chicken broth. So we've got it all ready to go. And what we're gonna do first is, after you have your peppers chopped, you're gonna cook your cauliflower first with your beef broth. So that's another thing. I didn't have any beef broth, so instead of not making it, I'm going to use the chicken broth and do a substitute. So let's go over and start cooking. All right, so I have my cauliflower in the pan, and I'm going to put my chicken broth in. And you're going to cook this until the broth is fully absorbed. So it may take a few minutes. So get this going. Probably going to have a little bit of different taste or flavor just because I didn't have the beef broth, but I'm very hungry, so it's going to be good. All right, we're back. It looks like my broth is all absorbed now. So now we're going to add in the bell peppers. Going to add in the garlic powder and the sea salt. And it is optional, the cilantro. So I do have some fresh cilantro. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a pinch of that. Okay, let's stir that up. Once we get that all stirred up, then I'm going to add in my chili. All right, so we have our peppers and in with our cauliflower. Now we're going to add our chili in. Once this gets in, mix it all together. Cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's all mixed together. And the cauliflower looks like rice, like dry rice, and it's looking like that now, but I'm going to cook it just so I can get the peppers a little softer. All right, this has been cooking for about 3 minutes. I'm going to say it's done because I'm hungry. We're going to go over and we're going to go ahead and put it on our plate. So that is enough for, that's my lunch. It's a pretty nice lunch. That's my 2 cups of veggies and my 1 IP, which is a restricted chili. So I know I've done my restricted for today. So enjoy. It was so easy to make, and if you are looking for a nice hot lunch, or you can always swap your lunch and dinner, this is a great option. Enjoy. Good.